Hey girls and baddies, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be a brow tutorial. I'm your girl Sasha, known for who I am. Honey, let me not waste any time. Let's get into it. So I'm gonna be using a black opal eyebrow pencil, whatever you call it. So now I'm going to draw a line that goes straight and curves at the end of my brow bone. Now since I've drawn the shape of the brow I'm gonna fill in the brow. Nothing more irritating than when the brow pencil pointer breaks off, when the monitor gods are giving you the thumbs up and you started flowing and drawing your brow, then it breaks off. Frustrates me, like I get frustrated. But anyway, let's continue. Just go in with a clean mascara brush. You know this mascara brush is working overtime, okay? It is working overtime and it is doing wonders, girl. Let me tell y'all this, my dog chewed my beauty sponge and I had to whip his ass and go get on him, okay? I'm gonna be using my foundation as concealer because we're on a tight budget, honey. On this part, I was just being extra with the lines. You can do it if you wanna do it. It is just a preference. So yeah. Let us dust up those thick, juicy lips, honey. You gotta squeeze the life out of that lip gloss thing. I don't know how to call it. Yeah. Bad bitch energy, baby. Anyway guys, this is the end of the video. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to comment, like, share, subscribe. Yes, I'll see you on another video. Peace out. Hell yeah.
There is a difference between a home and a picture.